What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, and today I have a brand new review for a product that was sent to me from Nomad, and this is the Base 1 Max. So it's basically a dual-purpose charger for your Apple Watch and your iPhone. And it's available in black or white, and it retails for 150 bucks. Now, I'm a big fan of Nomad's products. I've been reviewing their products for many years. I use their Nomad, the MagSafe case on my iPhone. I use their AirPod case on my AirPods. The main watch strap that I use on my Apple Watch is the Nomad Sports Strap, which is my favorite strap so far. So I'm a big fan of the products that they make, and they pay attention to detail, and usually the price point is not too high. So we're gonna check out the Base 1 Max and talk about some of the details and whether or not I think this is also a good product in their lineup. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so here we have the Base 1 Max taken out of the box. This is what it looks like. Very sharp, very nice and stylish. When it comes to the one negative thing I will say about this product, not really negative, but just something to keep in mind that's kind of a bummer, is that it does not come included with the wall adapter. So you will need to purchase a 30-watt wall adapter. So Nomad actually offers one, a real nice one, very small, lightweight, looks real sharp, looks really nice. And so this one retails for 30 bucks on their website, the 30-watt adapter. You can find other ones if you want on Amazon or other sites like that, but if you want to purchase it from Nomad, it would be 30 bucks to purchase that. The only thing that's included with the Base 1 Max is the USB Type-C cable. So it's like a really nice braided cable, the USB Type-C, the USB Type-C on both sides. It's about 6 feet long, so that should be long enough to be able to get it to reach wherever you need to get it to reach behind your bed to where you need to plug it in. But let's talk about the base station itself. So it looks sharp, it looks really nice. The chassis of this is made of metal. The top right here is like a nice soft matte finish, like silicone texture right here. This is glass over here where the iPhone sits on top of, but which could get scratched. But the MagSafe charger, the little puck, is raised off the top there. So as you can see, it's not completely flat and flush, which is actually really good because that'll make sure that any future iPhones that you want to use with it probably will be fine, because since if it was completely flat and flush with the platform right here, the new iPhones that have different size camera openings and the ports and things, or even certain cases that stick out a lot, may not be able to charge with it. Because this is raised up, that'll work with a lot of different devices, and this will work with any Qi device. So if you even have an Android device you want to charge with this, and maybe you have an Apple Watch and an Android phone, you can use it to charge Android phones. Obviously the MagSafe part, it's not going to work with that because that's not built into Android devices, but if you have other devices like even the AirPods, you want to do the Qi charging, it'll charge through there as well. So that's pretty nice. When it comes to the bottom of the Base 1 Max, it has like this rubber section right here, so it's kind of like a non-skid, so it won't move around whenever you're trying to pick up your phone off of it. And that's one of the things I really like about this. This thing actually weighs about 2 pounds, so it's pretty heavy. So when you put your phone on it, it's not going to go anywhere when you take it off. It kind of sticks right where it is, which is not quite the same experience when you're using like the MagSafe charger with a little puck, because it kind of stays stuck to the back of your phone. So in the middle of the night, if you just want to pick up your phone really quickly to see who messaged you, whatever, the thing stays there, and when you put it back, it kind of lines up really quickly, and then you go back to sleep. So I really like that. It has a really nice, good, hefty weight to it. Maybe the only thing I could think of to maybe improve this is if they had some kind of LED lights to let you know whenever your device on top of it is fully charged up. It would be kind of nice to see like a little green LED from a distance you can see across the room to know, okay, my Apple Watch is fully charged up. Not a big deal. That's just I'm really grasping for straws because there's not much else you could do to make this product better than what it is, because it looks sharp, it looks nice, it functions exactly the way it needs to function, and I just definitely think it's a really nice product. It is a little bit pricey at 150 bucks, but considering the fact that it has a built-in MagSafe charger, which I'm sure that's not cheap for them to include that in there, and also the little charging port for the Apple Watch, that's probably about what you're gonna have to pay for this type of product. So I definitely recommend you checking it out, and like I said, I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to purchase this off of Nomad's website. To make that easy to find, you can click on that link down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any interest in checking out some of my other videos, I got 2 of the clips over here you can check out. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, make sure you click on my face, and don't forget to ring that bell to be notified of all my new reviews as they drop on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video review.